So one way to interpret this question is by saying how many 3/12 are in 9/12. In other words, I need to divide 9/12 by 3/12, which is the same as saying 9 divided by 3. So everyone, let's get some answers. What do you guys think it is?
3.
3? Okay. So we know that I need to write the expression, and then I need to draw a model and solve. So I've written the expression. Cortera? The answer, I think everyone said was 3, not 3/12. Let's go ahead and model that to prove it. Jesse? Is 9. So you'll end up with 9/12 total, right? So I could draw my, I like that I have so many people raising their hand to try to participate. So this is my whole unit right here. But I need to show 12ths. So how many pieces do I need to split this into? Exactly. So I'll split that into 6. It's 3. So what do I have to partition? I need to figure out how many groups of 3/12 are in 9/12. So it's helpful at this point to highlight your 9/12. Then you're trying to figure out how many groups of 3/12 are in here. So I need to count by what number? Yes. Why do I say 3? Because what's the size of my group that I'm counting by? 3/12. So there's 3/12, 3/12, 3/12. So how many groups of 3/12 are in 9/12? 1, 2, 3 groups. So remember, whenever we watched Math Antics, we said that, wait a minute, we don't have to ever really divide fractions, do we? We can always just multiply, right? So is this expression the same? Did I keep change flip? Yes, I did. So at this point, I could multiply 9 times 12 and get some big number. I could multiply 12 times 3 and get some big number. And then I would have to divide that big number by the other big number. But I can use what I know about math to simplify some things. I know that if I have one factor and another factor, if they share some common number or common multiple between the divisors or between the denominators and numerators, I can simplify them. So Kevin, if I look at my 12 and my 12, what is 12 divided by 12? So I could simplify this to say the 12 and the 12 cancel. Then when I say cancel, that they really just change into 1. So what is 9 times 1? What is 1 times 3? What is 9 divided by 3? So you're saying I have 3 groups of 3/12 and 9/12. And that is the right answer. Let's look at the next example on your assignment. It says 7/9 divided by 3/9. You need to write the expression in unit form, which is just write down the expression, and then draw a model to solve. I want everyone to start working on that by themselves.